Hi folks, it's Mrs. Keating here. So you have watched a video already on how to organize your Google Classroom emails or create filters. I want to show you how I would use filters. So I have a draft here. Remember, you go to the three dots, filter messages like these. One of the things that I would do is I would take this and I would create a filter so that any email that I get from an @fcps.edu, I'm going to create a folder for, because that tells me that teacher took the time to write that email to me and it must be something very important. And then I'm not going to skip the inbox. I'm going to star it and I'm going to always mark as important. And I'm going to create a filter. That may be one filter that I use. Trying to find, let me find another folder so I can work with some other things. All right, another filter that I might create is I might create a filter just for, well, this folder I created for my drives just shared, and anything that's shared with me automatically goes into this file. So that when we're working, for example, on an activity where you're sharing a Google Doc with a classmate, if you notice the filter that I created, it still goes in it will go into the inbox, all right? But I'm going to apply the label shared, and then I'm going to also apply filter to matching conversations, which I already have here. Create filter, and then instead of having to search my email, I just open my shared docs. And in fact, this may be one that you can see needs cleaned out. Another example of a filter I might create is I might filter messages like these. I might take off the from, and let's say this, I might filter by the subject. So for example, or probably has the words. And what I might filter is Chantilly, I don't know, guidance, Chantilly student services. Because I know that I get a lot of email from the student services and I want to organize that. That may be something I want to read later. So what I may do is I may hit skip the inbox. And I may just create a new label, and that new label may be Chantilly Student Services. So that I will then, and then if I have no matching conversations, I will create that filter, and when I go into that label, I have no conversations in that label because I didn't have those words, but you might have them. You could do this for the Chantilly job, the Career Center. You could put the words Career Center and create a filter for the Career Center. These are just some general ideas to help you organize the email because, like I said, this year you're going to be getting a lot, and this is very, very important. So I have shared with you already a filter on how to create Google to do either to get rid of the email notifications or with the email notifications to get rid of them. And I've also shared how to make a filter for those Google Classroom notifications. But I'm using this to help you see how to create filters for other things so that when I go into that inbox, I don't need to check the Chantilly Career Service every day, but I might put in my planner every Friday, check the Career Service email, and then I just go there for that. But I'm checking my email every day, but I'm not getting inundated and overwhelmed with email messages. And the last tip I'm going to give you for email is delete emails you don't need. You can put them in the trash. They'll stay up to 30 days, and then they'll automatically disappear after 30 days. But you need to be checking, especially this year, that email daily. And what's nice is if you set up these filters, that starred important stuff will go to the top so that you can know I need to read that email. and I hope this is helpful.